Hello my friends, welcome. Today, as you have seen now the video about how to make good holes into walls, we will fix a little thing on these bricks. This is a little key compartment for outside. So here the little key locker was provided with these little screws. So there was no wall butt. So I'm taking a screw and I'm testing with this box here. What is important for us to notice here is that it's an 8 diameter, and then I'm checking if the wall butts are the right size for these screws, which is the case. So the first thing to start with is to decide where to put this box. So you see here there are 4 holes, and before choosing I will have a look on how to place it, whether I put it on the joints or if I put it directly here on the bricks. Here it doesn't, it's not the good size for putting into the joints, which usually are easier to drill. So I will put it directly into the bricks. So the first thing we have to do is to make a reference for placing the box. And here the reference will be here. So here I'm using the big drill, so I don't need to make the holes with a smaller size, as you could see in my video of how making good holes in the wall. And I'm checking the length. It's good. Now I'm fixing the locker with a first screw. Now I'm checking with the spirit level if it's the right inclination. And here it's well fitting. You see here, the bubble is right in the middle. Now I'm changing the drill. I will put a smaller drill for the moment. And this here, it is essentially for putting the right references from where to put the other holes. And you see now I have the references for the 4 holes. And now I can make the other holes. Now I'm putting the locker back. Okay, now I'm taking the screwdriver for making sure that it's well closed. That's it, folks. So the locker is perfectly holding against the wall. I hope that you like this video. If it's the case, please leave me a little like or subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, see you soon on Happy Hour TV 1.